So welcome to a new series inside the series of Daily Java with Jax that I'm calling Keyword Easter Week. So for 3 days, I'm going to be talking about a few keywords that you can use for your importance during these 3 days. So first day today, I'm going to be talking about the super keyword. So if you don't know what a subclass and superclass is, basically a class can just be a base class for a bunch of smaller classes, and those smaller classes could inherit from it, so extend from the main class, and those would be subclasses of the superclass. And you could make a method in the superclass and be able to access it from the subclass without having to write a single line of code other than a main method, and calling just the name of the method in the superclass, even if you haven't written any code. But if you make your own method in that, if you make your own version of the same name, if you make your own version of the same method in the superclass with the same name in the subclass, and you call from the subclass, it's actually going to do the subclass's version, not the superclass's. So that's where the super keyword comes in. If you'd like to access the superclass's version of a specific method, or variable or anything any data inside the superclass, then use the super keyword. Or another very important case, if you're making a constructor in the subclass, you always have to have super and call the constructor of the superclass that you want to run as the first line in the constructor. So if you wrote if you wrote system.out.println, then you wanted to print the whatever subclass type of data, but you want to access the superclass, but they have the same name, then use super, because that's a super keyword. So this is the end of this episode of Easter Keyword Week and Daily Java with Jax. See you next time.